AC is stuck on like the defrost mode, won't change, and get a Jeep Wrangler TJ like mine, or maybe even a Cherokee, you probably have a pinch in your vacuum hose line, or you've got like in my case, this is just completely severed right here. Super simple fix. I found the whole hose replacement online for like 12 bucks, and it really is just kind of like a plug and play, super simple. This end here goes in the reservoir, this T-junction goes into the cab, this T-junction pops into the cruise control, and this goes in to the air intake. So I've installed my new one. The hardest part for me was just removing the battery and getting the battery tray removed. 4 bolts hold that in, like that loose, and you can move it out of the way. You can see right there in the reservoir that this elbow plugs right into there, feeds in up around here, and then it plugs into this T-joint, which goes into the cab, and it follows around. So here's the cruise control hose, plugs right into that T, and then right down there into your intake manifold. Super easy fix. Hardest part for me, just pulling the battery and battery tray. So if your AC is not working right, and in my case it was working very slowly, I'd change it to, you know, whatever setting, and it would take like 20 seconds and it would finally kick in super slow. Same with my cruise control. I'd set it and it would take 10 seconds to kick in, and that's when I noticed that right about here I had a break in the line, and yeah, super easy fix. So let's get her back together and see how things run. Alright, so let's test the AC. Change the settings. Working. Yep. Blowing air down there. Alright. Good deal. Alright, so that's a pretty easy fix. If your AC and your cruise control aren't working properly, first thing to do, just check those the vacuum lines and make sure there's no pinches or holes, or it's not severed. And I'll put a link down in the description for the hose that I bought, the kit that I bought. Again, I think it was like 12 bucks or something. But alright, thanks for watching, and let's keep that adventure going.